The 18th Animation Comic Game Hong Kong was opened its 5-day event in Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center on Friday. It's an annually big fair and entertainment for animations, comics, and electronic sports enthusiasts. It is reported that the total exhibition area is over 20,000 square meters, which marks a record high comprising of 600 booths to showcase the most innovative and up-to-date animation comic game products and starting fair discounts. PlayStation enlarged their exhibition area to 418 square meters this year and specially presented its racing game Trail Zone. Giant Gundam model, Star Wars figures, and other famous figures like Iron Man, Batman, and Superman attracts the majority of visitors. Up to 20 local LEGO certified professionals are invited to make use of over 1 million LEGO to build 12 extraordinary LEGO masterpieces ranging from a series of Hong Kong historical sites in the past centuries in order to display the city development.